What is a checksum? A checksum is a small piece of data used to check if information has been changed or damaged. In simple words, a checksum is a number that helps you verify that data is correct. When data is sent or stored, a checksum is created based on that data. Later, the checksum is calculated again and compared. If the checksum is the same, the data is correct. If the checksum is different, the data has been changed or corrupted. For example, when you download a file, a checksum can verify it is not corrupted. This means it checks that the file is complete and unchanged. Checksums are commonly used in file downloads, data transfer over the internet, software updates. For example, the system used a checksum to detect errors. This means it found problems in the data using the checksum. Checksums help improve data integrity, which means keeping data accurate and safe. Here are some more example sentences. A checksum ensures the file is correct. If the checksum fails, the data may be corrupted. Developers use checksums to verify data. Some related terms include data integrity, error detection, and hashing. In simple terms, a checksum is a number used to check if data is correct and unchanged. Easy way to remember. Checksum means a number that checks your data.